what I came to understand over time, Evan, is that an expert in anything has value.
Mm,
I'm sure there's an expert in dirt remediation.
right.
Somewhere in Indiana or Wyoming or wherever else in the world, and that person's probably the go-to person when there's a need of dirt remediation. I'm making this up, by the way, but I'm just saying there there is any number of things out in the universe and in the space of life where someone needs an expert for that thing.
Absolutely.
And so when I think about what it took to get to this place in my career, it really is no different than the advice I'm giving would-be investors and would-be borrowers in HUD deals. You essentially start where you are, and then you become the expert in that thing. So if you are, if you're running a practice or starting a law practice, for example, where you do, personal injury cases, maybe your thing is you only represent people who've been rear-ended by drunk drivers.
Hmm.
And if you're the attorney who's representing only people in that class or category of cases, chances are you're going to be someone recognized as the go-to person in that particular thing, in that particular world. Doing that makes everything so much easier. You don't have to figure out who your target audience is, who you're marketing to, who are you trying to actually sell to, who
Hmm.
is it that's going to show up for you. All of that starts though with the premise that you're going to pick something or one or two things, and then you're going to become an expert, a go-to person in that thing, and it makes everything easier. Does it happen overnight? No. And in our microwave society, is that a problem? Yes.
Hmm.
But if you start, ultimately you do get someplace.